If you're seeing a Google Calendar server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen because of a temporary browser glitch, corrupted cache and cookies, a bad browser extension, or even a service outage on Google's side. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get into it. First, try refreshing the page. This sounds simple, but it's often the easiest fix. Just press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser and see if Google Calendar loads properly again. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh is all it takes. If that doesn't work, the next step is to test Incognito Mode. Open a private or incognito window in your browser, then sign in to Google Calendar again. If Calendar works fine in Incognito Mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the site. This is a very helpful test because it helps you narrow down the real cause instead of guessing. Next, clear your browser data. Go into your browser settings and delete your cache and cookies. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and cookies can sometimes cause sign-in or loading conflicts with Google services. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and restart it before trying Google Calendar again. That fresh restart helps make sure the changes actually take effect. If you still see the server error, disable your browser extensions. In particular, turn off ad blockers, privacy tools, anti-tracking extensions, or security software extensions like Bitdefender that may be blocking Google scripts from loading correctly. After disabling them, reload Google Calendar and check whether the problem is gone. If the calendar opens normally, you found the source of the issue. At that point, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to see which one is causing the conflict. And if none of those fixes work, check Google service status. Visit the Google Workspace status dashboard and look for Google Calendar outages. If Google Calendar is experiencing a global problem, then the issue is not on your device and the only fix is to wait until Google resolves it. That's why this step is so important. It saves you time if the error is actually happening on Google's end. So to recap, refresh the page, test Incognito Mode, clear browser data, disable extensions, and then check the Google Workspace status dashboard. These steps solve most Google Calendar server errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.